So guys, so we can easily connect to SSH. Just getting the credentials. Okay, so just go to dashboard. So this dashboard of my domain. Okay, alright, so this is my domain. So I want to use SSH probably to change an app key for a Laravel project that I have. All I'll do is to get my SSH credentials as well. So go to your domain and let me see that domain, then go to advanced. Okay, so SSH access. Alright, so all you need is to get this test. Okay, so copy this test and open our CMD. Alright, so this is a CMD. Alright, so you paste it there. Alright, so you need to so we have to enter the password. Okay, now if you don't know the password, you can easily change it. Okay, you can just create a new one. You can just create a new one. So just a new password for us to use. Any password that meets the requirements here is okay. Alright, so we click change. Alright, now so if you can't access, so if you copy this text and paste in your CMD and it's not your access, just come here and enable. Okay, enable here. If yours is not active, if you disable, just you see the active button here. If this should be disabled. Okay, alright, so now I have your password, so just enter. So now enter our password. Alright, so now we are at the bash. So now all we need to do is to see or to check which directory that we are in. So pwd. Alright, so I'm in my directory. So what I have to do is to locate this. So I'll go to cd domain. Alright, so I'm in domains. So cd, so your domain name. Okay. Alright, so alright, so I'm in my domain first because I didn't bring the .com, that's why. So I'm in my domain. Now I need to locate the folder in which my Laravel project is. So what I have to do is to go back and go to file. I just want to check which folder that my Laravel project is in. Wait for it to load. Alright, so I think I'll be using this. So cd public HTML. So I'm in my project folder. Okay, sorry, cd delete for. Alright, so so public HTML, so I'm in this folder. Okay, so this is the app key. So you want to change the app key here. You want to change it. So you want to change it. So this one ends with D1C4. So we'll change it to a different one. Okay, maybe in case you buy the project from Code Canyon or any other this and you want to change your app key. Alright, so I'll write a command PHP command to change the app key. PHP artisan generate key. There are no command find to generate. Alright. PHP Alright, so you really want to run this command? Yes. Alright, so let's check. So let's check. Okay, one second. So now first it was D1C4, but it has changed. So this is how you can change your Laravel app key in .env file. Thank you.